Welcome to the quiz show!
Prepare your taste buds. It's Would You Rather with junk food, snacks, and candy. Let's get started. Starting off with the hamburger classic, are you going for a McDonald's Big Mac or a Burger King Whopper? Only pick one, M&M's or Skittles. It's a pizza battle next. Are you picking a pepperoni pizza or a Hawaiian pizza? Would you rather have a McDonald's McFlurry or a Dairy Queen Blizzard? Which do you prefer, jelly beans or gummy bears? It's two of the world's favorite chocolate bars. Would you choose Snickers or Mars? What's on your sandwich? Nutella or peanut butter? Are you choosing curly fries or waffle fries? You can only pick one, honey barbecue sauce or garlic parmesan sauce. Would you rather have McDonald's McNuggets or KFC Hot Wings? Would you rather have cotton candy or a candy apple? Which one do you prefer, donuts or muffins? If you had to pick only one, would you choose mozzarella sticks or onion rings? Are you going for Doritos or Cheetos? Are you choosing Hershey's Kisses or Reese's Peanut Butter Cups? What's for brekkie? McDonald's Big Breakfast or Denny's Grand Slam? Would you rather treat yourself with an Oreo or Chips Ahoy? Would you rather have Happy Cherries or Happy Cola? Which do you prefer, cheese pizza or mac and cheese? Would you rather have Mexican tacos or Japanese sushi? Do you prefer Nerds or Sour Patch Kids? Are you choosing Ben & Jerry's or Baskin Robbins? How about this one? Mike and Ike or Twizzlers? Would you rather watch a movie with butter popcorn or caramel popcorn? Which one would you go for to quench your thirst? Coca-Cola or Pepsi? What do you prefer? Rainbow lollipop or candy canes? If you had to pick only one, which would you choose? A cinnamon roll or a s'more? Do you prefer thin-cut fries or thick-cut fries? How about this choice? Fanta or Sprite? You can pick only one. Pocky or Hello Panda? Would you rather treat yourself to a Kit Kat or a Twix? What's your choice for a sweet snack? Pancakes or waffles? Pick only one. Apple rings or peach rings? Would you choose a Wendy's Frosty or a Jamba Juice smoothie? Do you prefer candy corn or Swedish fish? How about this one? Hot dog or corn dog? Are you choosing bubble tea or a slush puppy? You can only pick one. Pretzel pieces or mini pretzel dogs? How about this one? Salt and vinegar chips or sour cream and onion chips? Would you rather have bubble gum or chewing gum? Which do you prefer? A Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich or an In-N-Out double-double? If you needed more energy, would you choose Red Bull or Monster Energy? Do you prefer Starburst or Lifesavers? Are you choosing a brownie or an Oreo cheesecake? You can pick only one, Pringles or Lay's. What's your choice? Beef jerky or Slim Jims? Would you rather have Chex Mix or Trail Mix? Which do you prefer? Prime or Gatorade? If you had to indulge in only one, would you choose a strawberry milkshake or a banana milkshake? Do you prefer gelato or popsicles? Thank you for watching this video. For more quiz fun, subscribe to the quiz show. Bye for now.